They're yelling.
Hmm?
The birds are yelling. Look, they're hungry. Feed us. That's what they're saying. Look, feed us.
Oh, look, Daddy. Maybe they want to eat plants.
Maybe.
Daddy, maybe they want to eat plants and then they wait for the daddy bird.
Oh, you think this is the mommy bird?
I think this is the mommy bird.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, Daddy. Daddy, after... Didn't the daddy bird win the Portland?
No, the daddy bird's not going to Portland.
Is she going to Hawaii?
Hawaii? Why would he go to Hawaii? You think the daddy bird went to Portland to get some food?
I think so. Daddy, what happened to you?
You think they will get Kinder Egg?
Daddy, what happened to you? Why you have a boo-boo?
I don't know. Did you hurt me? Not you? Then who is it? Who hurt me?
I think the birds.
The birds hurt me? No, they didn't. The birds are nice. They're waiting for the daddy. Look. Where's the daddy bird?
Daddy, and then it goes like this. Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy? I'm a fool.
The daddy's here. Whoa, look at the daddy bird. He's got lots of worms. What? Oh, he gave some to the mom. What? Oh my god. Whoa, and then he took off again. Oh my god, he's getting more food. What? Oh my, that was so cool.